how to create a report. So once you are logged into Salesforce, simply navigate to the Reports tab, click on it. You can see all your recently viewed reports over here, and you can see other reports such as created by me, private, public, all such reports by navigating to the right folder. To create a new report, simply click New Report, this button, and then choose which object do you wish to run or create your report on. So that's called report type. Go into all over here on the left, and you'll get a list of all objects or report types in Salesforce. Choose which one you want to use. I'm going to use accounts for this example and click on Start Report. Salesforce will generate a report for you. Say that you want to see all accounts for all time so that it shows you some data. There we go. It's showing us some data. We can remove whichever fields or columns that we want to remove, and we can add others that we want. So I'm going to get rid of some of these columns over here. Let's say I want to keep these ones, and I want to add created date. So I'm going to say created date. And that's it. And another thing we can do is we can group our report. So let's say I want to group my report by industry. So I'm going to say industry. So it's a field in Salesforce. And now I can see that I have 4 accounts in my system that do not have an industry. I have 1 account that belongs to the apparel industry, 1 for biotech, and 3 for energy industry, and so on and so forth. So I can group my report if I need to. If I don't, I can simply get rid of this. And over here in filters, I can filter my report to see specific kind of data, such as only show me accounts that were created at a specific time, such as I can say custom, and I can provide a date range, or I can even say something like current fiscal quarter, or current calendar year, current calendar quarter, or next month, last week, this week. I'm just going to say for now, we're just going to keep it to all time. So we want to see data for all time. We're going to hit apply. And we can use any other fields on the account object, such as, let's say, I'm just going to say I want to use billing state. And then I can say, show me all data where billing state equals California, for example. I'm going to say apply. So now it's only going to show me accounts that belong to California. And we can see that we only have 2 accounts that belong to California. I'm going to get rid of this filter right now. And that's it. I can now save and run the report. So I'll give it a name. I'm going to say all accounts. Where do I want to save it? By default, it goes to my private folder. I can choose to save it somewhere else by clicking select folder and just saying public reports for now, and select save. That's it. My report has been generated. I can download this report as an Excel sheet by clicking this button next to edit and clicking export. It'll download the report as an Excel sheet for me. I can clone this report by clicking save as, by creating a new version of this report, or I can delete this report by clicking delete. I can add charts to this report by clicking on add chart, which is disabled for reports that do not have groupings. So if you want to visualize your report, remember that you need to have your report grouped by a particular field, which we do not have at this moment. That's it.